Welcome to Quick Coding Tips. Today we're solving a common programming challenge. Let's start by understanding the problem. How do I concatenate the following combinations of types, str and str string and str string and string? Here's the solution. To concatenate multiple strings into a single string, separated by another character, there are a couple of ways. The nicest I have seen is using the join method on an array. Rust fn main let a hello, let be world, let result a b dot join n, print result. Depending on your use case, you might also prefer more control. Rust fn main let a hello, let be world, let result format n a b, print result. For the complete solution, check the video description. For readability purposes, I find the above two to be sufficient. This approach is efficient and follows best practices. Thanks for watching Quick Coding Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more programming tips.